Hey video pals, it's Tuesday. First I want to say, Samantha, I'm sorry about the studying. I know it really sucks and can't even imagine how hard it is with your major, but best of luck to you. Anyway, here's my haiku. Mushroom, you are anything but a fun guy. Your taste will taint my mouth. Hate mushrooms. That's not part of the haiku. Today I wanted to come to you Hank style with a little bit of science, but at the same point I want to keep this short because I don't want to have 2 punishments in a row. Still waiting on what my punishment is, guys. I'm open to anything. Go for it. This video is going to concern specific heat. If you don't know what specific heat is the amount of heat needed to raise the temperature of one mass unit of that substance by 1 degree Celsius. The substance that has one of the highest specific heats is actually water. Water has a very high specific heat, which makes the amount of heat needed to raise its temperature very high. Now, one of the reasons water has such a high specific energy is because of these things called hydrogen bonds. Hydrogen bonds are the connection between hydrogen atoms and oxygen atoms to form the water molecule, and also what connects the water molecules to other water molecules. And they're not very strong, but there are a lot of them. So in order to raise the temperature, there has to be enough heat to break these bonds, because as long as the bonds are there, the water molecules aren't going to move as much. And if they're not moving as much, they're not going to get much hotter, because that's what heat is. It's the movement of particles. But the fact of the matter is, the high specific heat of water does some really interesting stuff for life on Earth. For example, have you ever wondered why coastal regions are much cooler than ones closer to the inland? Well, that's because water has such a high specific heat energy that it's able to take a lot more of the heat out of the air and into the water, making the air much colder. And also during the winter months, as the bonds form again and the oceans cool, it will release the heat back into the air, making the air warmer. Now that was just a little something I found really interesting studying for bio. I hope you guys liked it. And Lorena, let us know when you get Paper Towns, because I'm really eager to start it. Looking forward to the book project, and I'll see you tomorrow. No bloopers today, guys. Instead, I want to give a big wish blooper and try not to make a blooper. How does that work? Anyway, I just want to wish happy birthday to both Roger Waters and Freddie Mercury, 2 men who have completely revolutionized the music scene and the music I listen to. So thank you guys. I love both of your music. I'm going to listen to some Pink Floyd and Queen right now. Peace.